Are you ready to trade stocks like it's a crypto bull run? We've all heard the buzz about tokenization. Taking a real-world asset and putting it on the blockchain as a digital token. It's been talked about for years, but now one of the biggest names in crypto is making it a reality for the stock market. Kraken has launched xStocks, the new tokenized stock service, and it's a game-changer for how we think about trading. So, what exactly are these xStocks? Simply put, they are digital tokens that represent real shares of some of the world's biggest companies, like Apple, Tesla, and Nvidia. Each token is backed 1:1 by a real share held by a licensed custodian. This isn't some synthetic product, it's a direct, verifiable link to the actual asset. This whole setup changes a few things. First, accessibility. If you're a non-US investor who has faced barriers to buying US stocks, xStocks could be your new best friend. By putting these assets on a public blockchain, it removes many of the traditional geographic restrictions. Second, trading hours. We're used to the stock market being open from 9:30 to 4 o'clock, but with xStocks, you can trade 24/7. That's right, weekends, holidays, middle of the night, the market is always open. This is a massive shift, especially for international investors who no longer have to worry about time zone differences. Third, fractional ownership. Ever wanted to own a piece of a high-priced stock but couldn't afford a full share? Tokenization solves that. With xStocks, you can invest with as little as a few dollars, making it easier than ever to build a diversified portfolio. Of course, it's not exactly the same as owning a traditional stock. For example, token holders don't get voting rights. And while Kraken will automatically reinvest dividends into your account, you won't receive a cash payout. But for many, the benefits of fractional ownership, instant settlement, and 24/7 trading could be well worth it. Kraken's move is a massive step towards bridging the gap between traditional finance and the crypto world. It shows how blockchain technology can make investing more open, efficient, and accessible to a global audience. It's a clear sign of where finance is headed, and Kraken is at the forefront. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.